We believe that scientific knowledge in our modern societies is indispensable to strengthen social cohesion. But we believe that it is also our task to give a sense of different likely trajectories, to communicate the degree of uncertainty involved, and to point toward potential side effects of demographic changes and policy responses. To account that we are a diverse society where values and norms regarding caring for the elderly in families or using other services might differ quite a bit. Our research initiative brings together two social science disciplines, demography and sociology, and we address one of the key challenges for contemporary societies, demographic change. Just think about the low levels of fertility, the steady increases in life expectancy, or the increasing levels of ethnocultural diversity brought about by immigration. So we really want to understand what the underlying mechanisms are of these trends, as well as what the consequences are that underlie these developments, because this will be highly relevant also for policymakers and for society at large. There is this populist narrative that your country is going to be flooded by immigrants who are going to steal your jobs. Or there is the idea that in ethnically mixed schools you will have more inter-ethnic conflict and inter-ethnic fighting. Our research is about knowing what is really going on and helping also the public to know which concerns are warranted and which are clearly not. So it is really one of our core aims and also past achievement to invest in the collection of high quality data. But data, of course, are only the raw material for our work. We need theoretical insights too, and we need advanced statistical methods to analyze our data. This is a characteristic feature of our research group. Some of us are also involved in refining and further developing advanced statistical methods. The impact of our research initiative will really be to provide sound evidence to policymakers, to make better judgments, to know what are the side effects of potential reforms, of care arrangements, of the welfare state. I think if you're interested in demographic change, in diversity, Cologne is a perfect place to study these developments, because it's a major city in Germany. You can see very different social milieus in Cologne. So the diversity, whether it's in sexual orientation, in ethnicity, political polarization, it's all visible here in Cologne.